How to take a photo on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just go to Microsoft OneDrive. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do, just go to the top corner right here and click on this little plus icon like this. Now it will take you to this page. Click on take a photo option and you will be able to take a photo from here. As you can see here, you can take a photo and save it to your OneDrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.